The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay 0. Mdlalo Betway Premiership Match Day 20. Besishilizolo. Sathi siya emaphethelweni ngokushiyeka 10 games. Ukuthi season sivale. There will be some games coming up. April, then we'll have a few games nango May. But my Arsenal just scored a late penalty in making sure ukuthi sayirapper up Emirates. Yeah. Now later sabukala ngo10 Real Madrid and Manchester City. Uthini Mr. Ngeke?
Onke ama-team supporter ashaya ama-late penalty today.
Bosini. Sija sonke ama-penalty mhlobo wami.
Sidla sonke.
Sonke ama-penalty mhlobo wami.
Ngiyabona bakuncisha i-penalty.
Yebo.
Bakunikeza enye engicabanga ukuthi akusiyo but bakunisha enye la kubaluleke khona mfana. Mara ngine-jive nawe.
Asikepening mhlobo wami.
Kanti nisenzani kahle? Why nisishaya nge-view once kanti?
Bosini.
Sihlala just kwema-hour nje lapha ku-position 1 niyabuya Shane.
Mhlobo wami andiyazi kwenzeka kanti ubuthe yiyoyo mos.
Iyoyo lapha mngani wami. Kuyolami ligame yokugcina.
But Bobson, do you think as team kushiyeka 10 games for both teams?
Yeah.
Like I know Guti, we don't know what's going to happen in the future, but do you think these teams ikhona ezawustumble okanye bangastumble bobabini or they might win the next 10 games?
Khona izolahla iside abomzala bazomosha lo mcimbi. I-Kaizer Chiefs khona la izomosha khona. Yeah, ungayithembi. Angeke ivume ukuthi iloku ibhizi ithathelwa ama-point lama team afana ne-Orlando Pirates ne-Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes, sikubonile ngoma last of last season collect ama 6 point for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But the way kungakhona ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-pressure banayo ngale. Khona la bazomosha khona Shane.
And as team zombini, Pirates and Sundowns, they're going to play Pirates on Saturday, then on Wednesday they're going to play Sundowns. So let's say uthi mhlawumbe banganayo ukuthi okay Saturday and Wednesday, so that's about 4 or 5 days. Ingakhona mhlawumbe uX abambekayo kwenye babeke ucorrect kwenye.
Khona kuzenzeka ngakutshela ngathi even neStellenbosch ne-TS Galaxy
khona
bazomosha. So Shane awungibuzanga today ukuthi ngigrand Shane ithi ngibulise mngani wami ngibulise uJusto ngibulise uMr Nkeu ngibulise uJunior ngibulise nelegend lapho ubitho.
Are you okay my friend?
Mngani wami ngiright kakhulu.
All right. Andifuna ukuthi ikhona engakubuza kayona. Let's dive into it. I'm still Arena. Ubone njalo umdlalo namhlanje?
Shane ithi ngibongise Orlando Pirates mngani wami. The coach players ngiyacabanga technical team yakhe ucoach ucollector the maximum point lapha Orlando Shane kubaleke kakhulu. So ithi ngithi Shane kancane ingene kulicembu le Richards Bay Shane.
Yeah.
I think Richards Bay today banikeze Pirates i-run Shane. Mawungabheka le game, it was not an easy game for Orlando Pirates. Bafayithile abadlali be-Orlando Pirates ukuthi baphume le 3 points. So mawungabheka the way i-team efana ne-Richards Bay ize ngakhona. Number 1, i-Pirates ibe relaxed the first whistle umayicala. Ayizange ibonakalise ukuba aggressive. I-team ebonakala ngathi aggressive bokuyi-Richards Bay because they understand ukuthi kumele sisebenze nge-energy for i-Orlando Pirates ukuthi singayi-allow ize kithi. So ngicabanga ukuthi i-Richards Bay iqale ngcono Shane the way iqale ngakhona yazama ukuthi always ifuna ukuwina ama-second ball, ifuna ukupress i-Orlando Pirates so that Orlando Pirates ingabe comfortable ebholeni because Orlando Pirates is dangerous. The more iba comfortable iza kuwe izofika ehafini yakho ila iba dangerous khona. So i-Richards Bay they started very well Shane. Ngicabanga ukuthi after Orlando Pirates iceda ukuscora ila behlise khona Orlando Pirates again ball position yaqala ukudlala manje Orlando Pirates until bazofika ku half time. But mawungathi uyayibheka i-team efana ne-Richards Bay bazame ukuthi bafuna ukuphusha until baze bayifika ku first half ku half time. But Orlando Pirates they managed to control their game Shane baze bayifika ku half time after ba leader nge 1-0. Then uma babuya second half ibuyile futhi Richards Bay ngale speed ebekade inaso mayibuya ngalesa speed yila khona bese izama ukuthi ingayinikezi futhi Orlando Pirates leyo chance, but Orlando Pirates tried ukuthi bathole second goal the security goal, but they failed ukuthi bathole le security goal. Yila bese kunzima khona ukucemela Orlando Pirates because bese bafika abadlali be Richards Bay bese bafika la khona ngibona iPirates ivula ispace between their defense naleya midfield yabo abombatha. Yila lamajita aqala ukusebenza khona umdlalo ofana noGumede, yila bese ngimbona ngathi ufuna ukuhlupha usibilibili kulela side noma a dragger le kuza lo mdlalo ofana noKhumalo, even though ifinishing yakhe end product uKhumalo left back angekho good umntunga, but bebazama ukuthi bafuna ukunokha kuleya defense Orlando Pirates because babonile ukuthi abosibisi banawo lawo ma mistake mangabe badlala under pressure. We understand but the way uCM abeka ngakhona next to CBC, I think he did very well uboy ukuthi bakhave lama mistake ayenzeka khona lapha kule defense Orlando Pirates. Then sibonile no Hoto the way beyakhuphuka ngakhona because bekungekho lula for bona ngalesa sikhathi because Pirates were chasing a second goal and manje benzani lamajitane energy Richards Bay yila abuya khona ukuthi no nathi we can do it because uma ungabheka badlala ngabadlala abo 3 kuno Zikhali kunomdlalo ofana noXakusani umthethwa bese kuba umthembu. Yila khona iRichards Bay ifuna ukuvala le space sonke leso ukuthi inganike Orlando Pirates ichance ukuthi idlale next to the box because bayabuya kancane namajita out 3 azovala lesa space la khona uGumede noBans beka out uma wambeka beyanga function kahle kulela side. So yila bengafuni Orlando Pirates ukuthi ibuye izodlala kuphi next to the box because if you allow uReilly adlale next to the box Shane uzobona enye into ongakazi uyibone because that guy is dangerous uma adlala next to the ball uReilly. The way ahlangana ngakhona lo mdlali uyakhona ukucontroller itempo yale game uma ngabe kuhuye mhlambe o next to the box. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi itempo yale game Shane be very high kakhulu Shane uma ungabheka be quick le game beyidinga abadlali nabo laba mhlambe baba ne energy. That's why sometimes ubone uTito ngathi nokustrugglisha kancane and I like the way coach ayenza ama sub wakhe ngakhona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kumncede kakhulu ucoach Orlando Pirates. So Shane, I think they played very well for me, but at the end of the day ama results avuni Orlando Pirates sure not Orlando Pirates bawuthatha ama chances wabo benza umsebenzi wabalula for bona.
Yazi Bomzini I was having a chat yesterday with someone who's saying, Yazi, the striking force Orlando Pirates since Mabasa left, when Umakhopa starts, I find myself missing Umbuthuma. Then when Buthuma starts, I find myself missing Umakhopa. What is happening when I was in, what have you identified the particular striking force, say Orlando Pirates, especially now that there are 10 games remaining? Sebona obviously Coach Wadu has this belief Kumbuthuma is trying, maybe there's something is seen ayibona ukuthi angayiniki Orlando Pirates yona, but there's also Makhopa. What do you think Orlando Pirates is happening striking force up?
I think the different Shane kulaba badlala about two, the positioning of the players. Uyathola uMbuthuma ko right position but finishing ibe poor. Uthola uMakhupa out of position, uthole lamabhola lenda la khona ngicabanga ukuthi uMakhupa beyangaba khona ngabe mhlawumbe wenza something. I think if uma ngabe mhlawumbe bekwenzeka ukuthi uMakhupa the way yadlalisa uMbuthuma ngakhona bamlethe angalibalekile ibox abe khona nje next to the box la khona kutholakala uMbuthuma, but uMbuthuma une energy uma wambeka especially ama run wakhe inside the box abaleka kakhulu la khona uMakhupa angeke wazi ukwashaya lawo marun because ungambheka umobile lapha eboxini umdlalo ofana noMbuthuma kunebhola la khona ngicabanga ukuthi bekumele kube ipenalty for iOrlando Pirates la aranele khona ku first pole uma ungabheka. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi yila khona aboMbuthuma batholakala khona, but i-end product the finishing eboxini iba poor Shane. Sekunala ucabanga khona ukuthi ngiyamisa uMakhupa ukuthi ngabe bekala kule position unokusho uMestenkeu sometimes uthola ukuthi kune defender itholakala eboxini bese ingasebenzisi leya chance athi wrong player at the right position. Kusho kona ukuthi ngabe bekunomdlalo right ogood ngefinishing ngabe mhlambe sikhuluma kungenye into like today uma ungabheka njenge team efana neOrlando Pirates babonile Shane ukuthi iRichards Bay ifuna ukuvala lama i-overload le midfield idlala ngama midfield awu 3 lapha ku central. Benzani bona baletha uApolis baletha abadlali ofana nabo Tito nabo Reed badlale lama half 10 to allow umdlalo ofana noSibilibili nobani noHoto basebenzise lesa space as usual, but uma ungathi uyayibheka ibasebenzele because yila khona sekudraga umdlalo ofana noTlapusane ukubuya back azo assist le defense if bakwazi really the way bebashaya interchange ngakhona la position uyasuka really mhlawumbe la receive khona lela ball wenza ukuhlanganipha ukuba kwakhe lapha kule space kwenzani kwenza ukuthi manje umdlalo ofana noKhumalo ku left back ahamba azofuna ukuassist le center back because now angeke umdlalo ofana no ubando center back umcineka o mhlawumbe usikhakhanya adrag athi ufuna ukuzomassist wenzani uma nje aranela kulesa space then uyabuya usibilibili use lapha kule position le position liyashini usibilibili atholakala kulo ngila khona umele uma ufuna ukubona usibilibili ukuthi is good mthole kule position kuma empty spaces la khona abuya from deep ku right back sibilibili can play but uma ngamdlalisa as a right back sometimes kuba nzima because lesa space suka simakhiwe akakwazi ukusebenzisa so uyabona ukuthi Orlando Pirates uma iletha la majita la phakathi abo really nabo police then they can allow labadlali ukuthi badlale baforced ukuthi aboKhumalo babuye ngapha nabo Mabuye babuye kancane so that abo Huthu bakwazi ukusebenzisa kahle but Orlando Pirates tried chain ukuthola second goal they failed to thola second goal but ngithanda umqondo ka coach Wadu the way ngimbone ngakhona bonile ukuthi Richards Bay manje kule 80 minutes 80 something minutes ifuna goal number equal equalize wenzani washaya ama sub wakhe sheni ufaka 2 defenders uletha ubani undaba ku left back Donsu Huthu uma cede ufuna ukudlala nge 3 center back uChabatsane uyabuya uzongena kule left center back so bekabonile ukuthi okay ngiyahluleka ukuthola igoal number 2 ngono nggrinde le 3 points akunasidingo sokuthi njengoba ngiloko ngihleka ukuthola igoal number 2 kumele ngiloko ngi-attack because ngizophanishwa emuva the more ngi-attack ngihluleka ngizophanishwa but umqondo bo right like uReal uyamazi ngokuhlanganipha ngibone kwenzeka le foul ecaleni before bazothatha le set piece then uma unomdlalo ofana noReal up front you know ukuthi anything can happen uma ngabe uReal abamba ibhola chain so ngiyacabanga ukuthi coach Wadu he got it right chain kulawa masap wakhe just ukuthi akwazi ukugrinda lawa results at the end of the day chain.
Bobzin, thank you so much. That's Bobo Nisi. Besibukele kunye ke lo mdlalo phethwe Premiership Orlando Stadium. Nalapho Orlando Pirates yawina khona ke ngo2-0. Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay 0. Akho mazufuna uvala mhlaba?
No. Orlando Pirates plays position 1 njengonjalo. Ayikho ngizokhuluma sheni.
Okay mhlaba. No, I just wanted to give you platform ukuthi akho ndo ufuna uyi-add but
no, so ngisho i-recovery izoba khona until game esibuya kuyo phela manje kumele kufike iweekend singadlalanga uhlezi kuposition 1 sheni ubuya ku Christmas sibuya nge1 zaka January ngeNew Year uhlezi kuposition 1 so we deserve sheni ukuhlala lapha mngani wami.
Bobzin, thank you so much. Let's close it.
Thank you.
Uthini?
Uthi uphethe umbrella. Uyayivuma lento?
No.
Yabuza nje. Awuphatha ngeumbrella uhlezi ku double store.
Let's close it. Orlando Pirates 2, Richards Bay FC 0. Thank you so much for watching Ituski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Khanye. Please subscribe to Ituski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Ituski TV.